Okay, this is a quick sound review of the Kenwood highspeed 6050. I've had this for 20, maybe 25 years. It's been in the closet. I honestly don't think I've used it in that time. Brought it out recently. You can see the shine on it. It was well covered. I think I bought it back in the day just because it was a beautiful piece. I probably tried it a few times. I think I liked it, maybe, but there were some other products I liked better. I'm more of a tune-up kind of guy. Anyway, I've got it hooked up today to a couple of JBL L46s, a Denon DCD 425, which is a basic CD player, but no frills, no holographic stuff, nothing like that, but very solid, plays very well. Anyway, this is a sound review of this because I couldn't find one on YouTube. I'm going to sell this because hopefully I'm moving soon, and I've got lots of other equipment, but after I cleaned it up, I went inside and cleaned it up as well. I was absolutely impressed with the sound. I mean, you guys aren't going to believe it, and this is truly playing out of a couple of large but still bookshelf speakers, so you be the judge. Here we go. Everybody enjoy. Let's see if I can get it close in on the VU meters for you guys. Okay, we'll stand back here and just enjoy the rest of it. I'm going to stop that now. Here's the dent in right there. Anyway, I'm going to put this up as copyright-free music because this is ancient Chinese Guzig, if I'm pronouncing it properly. I don't know. This thing here. But yeah, it's been recorded hundreds and thousands of times, probably. Anybody that can play one of those instruments. So I don't think there should be any copyright infringement. This stuff is pretty generic. Anyway, no subwoofer, no special effects, no equalizer, no nothing, which is just amazing. Just fantastic sound of this thing. Like I said previously, I believe it before the video, just a absolute diamond in the rough, and a beautiful piece of equipment. Let me see if I can get it. I know the lighting's not good in here, but see if I can get my camera to focus on this. Thing's absolutely gorgeous. All veneer wood and brushed aluminum finish. These fantastic meters on here. And yeah, try to get a shot of the JBL L46, but I think the lighting is poor. I left the cover off this one here so everybody can see that is indeed what it's playing through. And you can see the wires here. To the left is a power cord, a speaker wire. Here's a speaker wire, a cheesy attempt at an antenna, and the connection from the CD itself. And look at the grain of that wood. It's just gorgeous. Inside, interestingly, it's actually backlit by the dial lights. But yeah, just a gorgeous piece. I don't know why this thing spends so much time in the closet. Anyway, thanks guys. Thumbs up if you enjoyed.